stack them high, one by one. Building towers is such fun. Tony works with little hands, making magic through the lands. Build away. Golden bridge so big and strong, marbles roll and sing a song. Tony waves with joyful cheer, happy friends all gather near. Cross with me. Castle shining gold today, welcome everyone to play. Tony laughs with happy pride, magic waiting right inside. Castle fun! Round and round the marbles race, rolling at a speedy pace. Tony claps with big delight, watching every twist just right. Go marbles! Rainbow colors fill the air, magic sparkles everywhere. Rainbow colors fill the air, magic sparkles everywhere. Tony dances through the flowers, playing for happy hours. Rainbow joy! Marble train goes choo-choo-choo, rolling fast for me and you. Tony smiles from ear to ear, best adventure starts right here, right along. Golden trophy shining bright, Tony beams with pure delight. Builder of the marble land, best creator in the land. Hip hooray! Balloons fly and fireworks glow, celebration starts to grow. Party time, wave goodbye, it's time to rest. Today's adventure, goodbye, goodbye. Keep building.